Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right away. Clear the area and lay a drop cloth so debris doesn't spread. Once done, score and cut the damaged drywall into a neat rectangular opening. This gives you clean edges to fasten to. Measure the hole and locate studs nearby so your patch will have support. Make a drywall patch sized to fit snugly. If no stud, plan to add a backing brace. These first steps set up a stable repair and prevent future cracking. Hold the patch in place and fasten it with 1 drywall screws into the backing or studs. Keep screws slightly recessed. Next, apply self-adhesive mesh tape directly over the seams and press it flat to eliminate bubbles. Now mix or open joint compound and apply the first thin coat, embedding the tape and filling screw heads. Feather the edges 6 to 8 inches beyond the seam so transitions sand out smoothly. Let it dry fully. Drying determined. Once the compound is dry, sand the surface smooth using 120-150 grit. Keep a light touch to avoid gouging. Wipe away dust with a tack cloth, then prime the repaired area with a stain-blocking primer so the paint adheres and sheen matches. After primer dries, paint with the same finish as the wall. Apply 2 thin coats if necessary and feather the edges into surrounding paint. If texture mismatch occurs, replicate texture before priming. Troubleshooting tip: visible seams mean reapply thin compound, sand, prime, then repaint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.